out with an 8 ounce of clear slime right here. Not completely clear because it keeps like melting, and yeah, but it's pretty clear. It's very nice. Anyways, now we're going to add our pigment, guys. So 1 second. Okay, guys, here is the pigment. I decided to put them in a box so that I could like get it better and you guys could see it more. So guys, we're gonna be using these little bottles as measurements again because I feel like this is what everybody has, or like the most common one. This is a 0.5 ounce bottle. So yeah, I'm gonna fill it up to the top. Usually, guys, these bottles aren't filled up to the top. They're filled up like halfway, like either like that almost, or just a little bit more, like probably like that. This is so satisfying, guys. It's a whole bucket of pigment. Okay, I think that's enough. Now let's go ahead and put it into the slime. So let's put our pigment. So usually, guys, I'll put like around either like that much literally, or sometimes I'll put like that much, and then sometimes I'll put like that much. But now, guys, we're gonna be putting a lot more, this much. There. Even more than this, because we're gonna probably do like a second round of this pigment. So yeah. Oh, whoa. It feels so weird. It's like dust. Sparkly dust. This is fairy dust. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm mixing it very slowly, guys, because the pigment flies everywhere. So yeah. All right, guys, so here it is so far. I don't know, the texture is already changing. It's already kind of turning like into like a muddy texture, I kind of wanted to say. Like, it literally turns into a muddy texture. Not in a bad way, though. It just like feels kind of like muddy. And it's very, very, very pigmented and very pretty. Or it also reminds me of the liquid highlighter. That's what this reminds me of. Alright, guys, so got all of the pigment inside the slime, and some of it is on the table still. I don't know if you guys can see, but I couldn't get that off because it's like literally stuck on there. But anyways, here is the slime. It is insane. I think it got even thicker too. It's like very dense and muddy. But it also, I noticed, kind of got a little sticky. Like whenever I kind of like squish it, I feel like it kind of like still sticks to my hand, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of activator, and then we will proceed on to the next round. Alright, guys, we're gonna do another round of the bottle. So let's put that all in there. Alright, let's mix it. That is so much pigment, guys. Is this even gonna be able to take any more? Just trying to get the pigment in there the least dirty way. And I don't know if it's working or not. Oh no, the bubbles popped. Okay, I can feel this getting thicker. It honestly kind of feels like it's getting fluffy in a way. It's kind of funny. It's getting like poofy. Alright, guys, here it is. There's still some pigment on the sides that I have to collect. But anyways, here it is. I don't know if you guys can see, but it kind of seems like it's getting fluffy. I don't know if it's because I'm putting bubbles and I'm like mixing it a lot. But like, it is so weird. You guys hear that? Like, this is like a new texture, honestly. Like, it's so weird. I don't even know how to explain it. But it's so thick and weird. I just don't even know what to say. And guys, I think it honestly grew too. Like, look at that. What the heck? How did they even do that? That is so weird, guys. It's so heavy. Like, usually the clear slime is kind of just like light, I feel like. But this is so thick and heavy. It's almost like a white slime. I love making bubble with these because you can see like the pigment. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. You see that? It looks so cool. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. You can't, it's not even clear anymore when you stretch it. It's just pigment. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, what the, look at how cool that is. Look at my nails. My nails look cool. They're like pigmified. But anyways, guys, I guess that is it for this one. Now we are gonna change it up a little bit. We're gonna be putting the same pigment, but in white slime. Usually you don't add pigment into white slime because it's not gonna show at all, but that's why we're trying this out, guys. We're gonna see if too much pigment, you can maybe see it. So yeah. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, guys, so I had to activate this white slime really quick because it was kind of like melting. But anyways, we have our pigment here, we have our white slime here, and we are going to mix it together and see what happens. So I think the first thing that's gonna happen, guys, is it's probably just gonna turn like orange. And I feel like we're probably just gonna be seeing like the sparkles. That's it. Hopefully this goes well. Oh, this is getting everywhere. All right, guys, so here it is so far. We still have a lot more. There's like a very big glob right here, but we did put a lot, like probably like half of it. And it's like actually working, guys. Like, it's actually metallic. Like, this is insane. I didn't think it was gonna work, but it actually is working, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this is actually sparkly. I am so surprised. This is crazy, guys. It actually worked. But we still have this giant pile. It seems like the white slime is kind of taking longer to absorb all the pigment, which is very weird. All right guys, time for round 2. Okay, let's put the pigment in there. There we go, I think that's it. And let's go. Oh my god, guys, this is actually working so well. What the heck? This is insane. Oh my gosh. It's like actually working. This is crazy. Insane in the membrane. But seriously, guys, this is crazy. What the heck? It is actually working. Okay, let's keep putting it in there. Okay, guys, here is the slime. It's all done. This is insane. I didn't think it would work, but it did. Although it does seem like it got like more matte. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it just seems like it got more matte. And it kind of feels like I put like cornstarch in it. Alrighty guys, I want you guys to guess which one is the clear one and which one is the white glue one. Which one do you think? I'm gonna give you 3 seconds, guys. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Did you guys guess correctly? Who knows? Okay, alright guys, if you guess that this one was the clear glue, you are correct! This one is the clear slime, I think, because they are very, very similar and they're kind of hard for me to tell. But anyways, this one is the clear slime one. This one is the white slime. It's kind of crazy. They look literally like almost identical. This one is a bit more glossy, I feel like. Kind of looks a little bit more glossy, versus this one kind of looks a little bit more matte. So yeah, I would have never guessed. I thought it was just gonna turn orange, but you can actually see the sparkles in this, guys. It is so crazy. Next thing I do is copper pigment, and this one is super duper strong, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it's super compacting, and yeah, it's like a lot thicker. Let's get started. First, we're gonna go ahead and put the pigment inside the bottle. There we go, guys. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so usually when I put pigment, especially this pigment, I'll put like this much, or yeah, usually like that much, and it's probably good for the whole thing, but now we're gonna be putting a lot more. It is so sparkly, this one. It's crazy. Like, look at how compacted it is. Alrighty, guys, let's do this. Oh, I cannot wait to see this one, because like, this one is super sparkly, so I'm like excited for this one. Oh my gosh, okay, I feel like this is already like way too much, guys. Like, I don't even know if we can do another round. Look at how vibrant it is already. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. By the way, guys, if you're gonna do this, you're gonna put a lot of pigment on your slime, or just in general, be careful with your clothes, because this stuff, I feel like it stains and it's very hard to get off, so be careful.
80,000 impressions later.
All right, here it is now. I feel like it got even more vibrant and even more like sparkly. It looks really oily to me. I don't know why, but that's just what it reminds me of, oil. Oh my gosh, guys, this kind of looks like a sparkly ribbon. Watch. It literally looks like silk or something. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, and also if you like separate it, like if you stretch it, can't even see, like it is literally just pigment. I don't even think it can get clear like at all. Just like the other ones, guys, this can also make some really nice bubbles. Oh my gosh, it looks like a metallic balloon. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom the camera out, and we're gonna make another bubble so you guys can see it. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. Oh, look at how beautiful. I don't know why, but I really wanted to do this. Look at how cool it is. I would try and crunch this, but it's too, like, it's so thick. All right, guys, time for round 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our pigment. Okay, I think that's all of it. And let's go. Whoa, that is a lot of pigment. Is that more than the last time? I feel like it is. Is this even gonna be able to absorb all this? Because like, this is literally starting to kind of like rip because of how dry and how much pigment there is in it. Okay, I feel like this is a good way to mix it. This is starting to get so firm. It's not even slime anymore, guys. This is just putty. Gosh. Okay, all right. I think it mixed all the way. That was the fastest I've ever done it. I am very happy. But anyways, here it is. Look at how sparkly it is. Oh my gosh. It doesn't even crunch. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, here it is. It literally turned into like a fluffy putty thing. I don't even know what this is. Literally, guys, look at this. I think it activated too. It's like not even sticky. It's literally like a fluffy slime now. Okay, let me rip this. Look at how dark it is in the inside. It's so weird. All right, well, that is what happens to that one. As you can see, the pigments do actually have different textures, which it's pretty crazy. This one has such a different texture than the other one. The other one is like so much more like, I think it's right here, this one. This one is so much like stretchier and softer, as you guys can see. Versus this one is like literally like a rock. It's crazy. All right, guys, now it is time for the white slime. Alrighty, guys, so we have the pigment, we have our white slime. Let's do this. Now let's mix. Kind of want to try and like mix it around on the slime. I feel like that might look cool. All right, guys, let's mix. I'm gonna guess that this one is gonna work very well because this one is a lot stronger than the last one, first of all, and the last one worked, so yeah. We're just gonna go ahead and try and do what we did last time. I think it's working. Yes, it's working. Dang. All right, guys, here it is so far. We don't have all the pigment in, but it is working very well. Although the color did change a little bit. It's less gold, I feel like, and more of a bronze color instead of copper, I feel like. Let's just keep mixing. Whoa, guys, it is so sparkly. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. It kind of reminds me of the paint. I don't know if I said that already, but it reminds me of the metallic paint. And yeah. It's crackalacky. Look how pretty. Alright, guys, now we're on for the second round. Here it is. There we go. And let's do this. Why does it look like it's more sometimes? It's so weird. Okay, I think this one should be really fast because the slime's thicker, so it should be able to hold the pigment more, if that makes any sense. But yeah. Oh no, it popped. Oh my gosh, could that, there we go. I hope this is very crackalacky. Okay, let's crack it. Jeez. Whoa. Okay, guys, this feels so weird. It honestly kind of reminds me of UgplOR&index. This is crazy. Whoa, do you guys see it? It's like UgplOR&index kind of. It's like soft when you like slowly touch it, but then when you like kind of do it really quick, it's very firm. This is so weird. This is crazy, guys. Okay, well, this is so weird. It honestly feels exactly like fluffy slime, even more than the other one. Like, it's so weird. Like, I don't even understand, but whatever. You guys comment down below what you think about it, and also which one is your favorite. I think my favorite is probably gonna be this copper one. So guys, this one did grow in size 2. I don't know if you guys can see, but it used to be an 8 ounce, and I think it actually did get fluffy. And then here is the clear one. This one got a lot harder, like almost like if I activated it. Like, I can't even poke it. It's like literally like overactivated or over pigmented. But yeah, that is this one, and yeah. All right, guys, so now it is time for our slime smoothie. All right, let's mix it. Look at how pigmented these are. Ooh, that looks cool. It reminds me of peanut butter and jelly. I don't know why, but it does. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. I'm gonna try and make a bubble. Oh wait, oh no, it broke. There. Oh, look at how beautiful. Whoa, this is mixing so slowly. Putting pigment in there. Okay, well, here's the end result, guys. It reminds me of peanut butter a lot. But yeah, it's basically like almost the same thing as the copper one. I think the copper one. You enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you want to do a part 3, and if you wanted me to do it with something else, like maybe cloud cream. I was thinking we should do it with clear cloud cream, but yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much. I really hope I see you next time. Bye.